Oh, Dizam, check that out. Phantom.
Ldubbeats, bring that heat, boy.
What up, guys? Welcome back to Saunters Lifestyle. Oh, Dizam, check that out. Phantom. Ooh, that thing look good, boy. Yo, but yeah, man, welcome back to the channel today. Man, I turned the camera right on at the right time. Anyways, I brought you guys on today. As you guys can see, I'm in the Jeep SRT. Yeah, so I brought you guys on today, man, because I want to do a review on the Borla Atak catback exhaust that I did on the Jeep about 2.5–3 years ago. So I got a video on my YouTube channel of me, and I don't really say installing it, but kind of like a before and after stock sound. And once I did that, man, I never really did a review on it. So yeah, today I want to go ahead and do a review, give you guys some sound clips of the exhaust, as well as give you some outside pulls, what it sounds like. So what I'll do is I'll connect the GoPro to the bumper and give you guys some sound clips that way. But yeah, I ordered it from jegs.com. They was able to ship it to me to my APO box. So it came actually USPS versus FedEx or UPS, which I was really hesitant. I didn't think they were gonna be able to send it because it's so big that it came, you know, obviously the box that it came in. But yeah, it came in the mail, and I was able to put it on and did it all in my driveway. So, but I just got to the undisclosed location. We're gonna go ahead and give you guys some quick pulls on the car, man. Let me give you a quick walk around though. Give you some of this B-roll of the Jeep.
Ldubbeats, bring that heat, boy.
All right, guys, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it sounds like. Go ahead and give it a remote start though. It sounds pretty good, man, for a 6.4 liter. What y'all think? Yeah, Borla. It's a little dirty, man. I didn't want to do the video, but I need to get the videos in when I can. But yeah, we ordered it. It came in stainless steel. I blacked out the tips on it just to kind of make it match the rest of the Jeep. And I think it actually looks pretty good, man. Sounds good. But definitely want to set you guys up, man. Give you guys a couple of pulls real quick and let you guys hear what it actually sounds like. Let me go ahead and set this exhaust mount up. Let's go. So, yep. Let me know what you guys think in the comment below how that sounds, man, for this Jeep SRT. I actually like it, man, but I feel like it needs to be a little bit louder. Oh, check this out. Living in the UK. I wonder how much horsepower that car had. That was supposed to be a joke. Anyways, yeah, like I said, because I bought the Corsa Catback Extreme for my Hellcat, man, I really would like to see what that would sound like on here, man. So, who knows if we still have this Jeep when we go back to the United States. I might swap it out and get the Corsa Catback. But as of right now, the Borla Atak could do. But yeah, man, that's gonna end the video today on the sound clip on the Jeep. Damn, that charger was all messed up. But yeah, if you're just tuning in, man, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Go ahead and give me a like, thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever you want. Go ahead and share some of my videos. And the 3rd gen is almost complete with the wrap. Just want to give you guys that quick update as well. I should hopefully have it done within the next week. So stay tuned, man. That's all I got to say. But guess what? I'm out.